All right, guys, we got the Razor RSF650. End of the video bike check. Let's go. Starting off with the first thing is the Shinko tires. We got Shinko tires on here. We got the powder coated stock rims, and it's a candy teal. We got the stock chain, stock sprocket, stock freewheel. All that is stock. All right, we got all the stock seat cushions, all that. A lot of guys replace this whole seat with a softer seat. I might look into that, getting something a little better. Then we got the 6,000 watt motor. 6,000 watts, guys. Serious power. We got the Amazon shock, 40 bucks. It works great. It's perfect. I got the last one, actually. Got the last one off of Amazon, so they don't have any more of that, but you can look up 270 millimeter pit bike spring. They're everywhere. They're on eBay. Amazon have some, probably not that color, probably red, but it's a 270 millimeter spring. Works perfect for me. It's a lot stiffer than the stock spring. The stock spring, I was bouncing a little bit, and this one is freaking perfect, man. It's pretty dope. Stock pegs, nothing special there. We got the 72 volt battery. This is the Surronster kit from Electro and Company. If you guys want to check that out, go to their website. They sell a bunch of stuff for these razors. You can get all kind of stuff, so check them out. The tune on here is perfect. You just give it throttle, that sucker just rolls. It goes. This thing is so fast, guys. Like I said, I had it on the low level. There's a low, medium, and then there's a high. Guys, when I put it on high, it feels just like the scooter. I don't know how fast it goes because it's not fully charged, but pretty soon, probably tonight, maybe tomorrow, we're gonna get a speed test to see exactly how fast this bad boy goes. All right, so we got the Kelly controller, which is right there, all tucked in there, real nice. This is the 200 amp Kelly controller, 40 to 90 volts it can handle. Tucked away, real nice. What else we got here? We got the, I don't know what brand these are, but the throttle is, it came from the Electro and Company. It comes as a kit. You get the throttle, you get the brakes, and you get the battery and the motor. You get all of that in the kit. You also get voltage meter, on and off switch, and your 3 speeds. The one thing I really like about this bike, or the Surronster kit, is that you can charge it in the stock port. They give you a port to where you can charge it right there. I see a lot of guys with just wires hanging down here, and they charge it from down here. I don't know why they don't use this, but maybe they don't have the Surronster kit from Electro and Company. That's probably why. So that is pretty dope. It cleans up all the wires. You ain't got a bunch of wires hanging at the bottom. That's what I like. Fresh. Shinko's in the front, powder coated rims, and we got aftermarket bearings in both wheels. We got the Lumina 1000 light. A lot of guys wire like a big old light in the front. Don't like it. I like the stock look. I'll just use a little aftermarket light. I'm gonna plan on riding this bike at night. In the back, we got a little light in the back. Little USB, charge it. Real simple, no wiring. Stuck on there with some Velcro. We got the Zoom hydraulic brakes, front and rear. Got to get that bracket for the front. We got 160 millimeter rotors. These also come with the Surronster kit. You get everything for this bike with the Surronster kit: brakes, rotors, you know, you got the voltage meter, on and off switch, all that, everything, complete kit. Check out Electro Company. And that's about it. The bars, I got the bars from Amazon, just a little square bar. I like the way those look. Some guys put different bars on there, but I like the way those are. Real clean, just a real clean build, fast and fun. This thing is badass, guys. Seriously, it's fast as heck. So that is the Electro Company Surronster Mini Moto, all done up. Only thing we got to do is get that front brake fixed and she'll be ready. Maybe a seat, but I'm feeling the look right now. A lot of guys put shocks in the front. I took it maybe like 5 miles today. Feels fine to me without shocks. I'm not getting shocks for it. But yeah, I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it. But that's Electro Company Surronster. That's it right there, y'all. She's a beast. She is a beast. Catch y'all later.